today's a complete cheat day, so don't judge us on today. Today we have carbs. I mean, no, one of the pastas is gluten-free, and gnocchi is, I always say semi-gluten because half of it's potatoes. The pizza is full on, like it's bad for you, yummy pizza. Okay, so here on the stove, what we have is, this is a gluten-free beet-based pasta. This is some gnocchi. I have a pizza in the oven, which is going to be done, I mean, 30 seconds ago. See, there you go, the screen's fogging up. This is the little cake display I've done. It's kind of Chanel oriented. She lost one of her earrings once, and that's the leftover earrings. What else? Okay, so this was an epic DIY. It's kind of deflating because I did it last night, and it didn't end up being a surprise because it's bang smack in our kitchen. So I mean, ideally I would have wanted her to wake up to this and come down to breakfast and be like, oh cool, balloon art. But no, so she saw me put it together last night, and that's that. My parents should be down for dinner soon, so we will see you guys at the table. Actually, you know what? I'll show you guys the table. Yeah, I got these from the garden, threw them in here. We do this anyways during the spring. Toss them in there. These dishes are actually random that my mom probably bought sometime in the 90s. Salad, main course, second main course. I think these are charger plates too, but we're gonna use them as plates today. But here's the final product. I got my pizza out, my beetroot pasta in truffle sauce, truffle oil, diced tomatoes, a little bit of pesto, nothing else. My salad with the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes, balsamic glaze, pumpkin seeds, croutons tossed together, some nutritional yeast because we're trying to make things vegan-y even though this is cheese. But so there's no cheese in here, no cheese in here, and again, no dairy in here, and this is the gnocchi that's done. So I hear Garima, and so does Boo apparently. Boo, where's Garima? Let's go get it, let's go get it. Welcome to your birthday party. Sorry, nobody came.
That's okay. Oh my god, black, white, and red. I didn't even know you did this.
Where's the red? Oh, okay.
My earrings. Oh my god, this candle is so cute. Can you put out? Those are my earrings. Wish we got the black and white balloons. Mom, you can come. Mom, it's a vlog now. You'll be in the video every day. Do you think we should have got black and white balloons instead?
Yeah, to go with this thing.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
How staged are you?
That's not staged, but that's how I speak. Have a seat. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Garima. No.
Okay.
Woo! Here, you pour in this glass.
Hi, baby. What are you wearing, Boo? Show everyone what you're wearing. Oh, is he showing? It says dog is friendly. Beware of owner.
Bon appetit, mommy.
Thank you so much.
Well, it's amazing we don't have to see each other. So tell me what your favorite part of this meal was.
I think it was the gnocchi.
I love the beetroot pasta in truffle oil, right? You put it in truffle oil, and I like the gnocchi, the second best. So we just finished our dinner. It was actually very, very delicious. I think he put in a lot of effort. He's not here, so you can say, Mom, kaisa laga tha?
Oh, it's really good.
It was really, really yummy. And I think
He outdid himself this time.
he did outdid it himself. Usually, so he cooks really very good Italian food, but I think today's flavors were very unique, very different, not expected.
And his presentation is always
And yeah,
amazing.
presentation is so beautiful.
Yeah.
So I think it was a fabulous lockdown dinner. I think from the balloons, the balloon garland that he must have shown you by now, if not I'm going to take you guys there, to the whole setup. I think he's been doing a lot since yesterday.
But the best part about this whole thing was that we didn't have to do anything.
Yeah, we didn't have to. We just got ready and showed up. And he did everything for us.
And now the special dessert has nothing to do with me. It was a cake designed by Sheena. So we will A, at some point in these videos introduce you to Sheena, and B, show you the cake. So follow us.
Like he used to get as a kid.
Yeah, that's
But look
My
at
mom.
that. Oh my
But
god.
that superstar came up with this.
Oh my god, Sheena. I love this.
So, ladies and gentlemen, if you're
Thank
ever in
you,
a bind, Baskin Robbins Metaville has you set up. Like, who even knew that they did Chanel cakes? And then even the setup was totally recommended by her. So here you go.
Oh my god, this is so amazing.
This is made out of 100% ice cream. That is ice cream. In about 40 seconds, that Chanel is gonna start bleeding.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Garima. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, everyone.
Yay!
Thank you so much for the delicious cake, Sheena. I absolutely loved it. Thank you so much. You always put in so much efforts on my birthday and generally throughout the year. Not just for me, for all your friends, all your family members. So thank you. Let's enjoy the cake now. So fun fact, I did not know about ice cream cakes till I actually tried one from Baskin Robbins. And it was simply delicious.
First things first, where did you get it from?
Do I speak the truth?
Yeah.
I got it for myself.
Yeah.
And I put it on your credit card?
Yeah, which I'm gonna make you pay once you monetize these videos.
If that happens. No one's watching this. Okay. Not a surprise. I know exactly what's in there. And I'm super excited to show you guys what did I get for my birthday. You guys ready? It's a gorgeous clutch.
Can I take a closer look?
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. So beautiful.
Let me show you how it looks on.
And given the current social and political environment,
Yes.
where do you expect to be wearing this? One may suggest that this was a poor financial decision.
Mom! I love clutches. As you all know, I design my own. But sometimes I have to buy from other designers. And I love the Medusa face. So I had to get this when I saw it.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for being part of today's dinner. I'm probably not
Thank
gonna
you so much for hosting such a lovely dinner.
but this was an ad hoc video. I mean, today's meal
I
wasn't
know.
all that
You
lavish.
literally just got the camera like 30 minutes before.
I literally put the pizza in the oven, ran, picked up the camera from Best Buy, got home, pulled the pizza out, and then that was life.
If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos from us, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and hopefully you'll see more from us, right?
We are making more videos,
We are making more
whether
videos.
you watch them or not.
Yes,
Bye.
yes, it's happening. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much for watching.